Same Seattle, same 2026. Yet the eyes looking at AI were completely different. Axios Seattle asked its readers how they use AI, and the answers were far more diverse than expected. Let's explore the complex feelings Seattle residents have toward AI.
Seattle is America's top tech city, home to Amazon and Microsoft, at the forefront of global AI innovation. Yet how do its residents actually feel about AI? Axios Seattle asked them directly.
Environmental activist and solar industry worker Niam put it plainly, AI makes my skin crawl. No, thank you. Another reader, Christy, said she swore it off entirely. It is trashing the environment and ruining my children's job prospects. For them, AI isn't just an inconvenience, it's an existential threat. Office worker Drew shared his concern. I don't have much use for AI in my job so far, but if I haven't become a power user, I might be replaced by someone who is. People who don't use AI but are anxious precisely because of it. That's also the reality of 2026.
Homemaker Denise said, I think I use AI every day, whether I want to or not. Every time I Google something, I think I get AI'd. Another reader noted that AI is part of most search engines and I have to choose to ignore it. These are the people already inside AI whether they want to be or not.
IT professional Aaron explained, I believe in the power of AI and use it daily, but I do not desire to have every part of my life connected to AI. Believing in the potential but drawing clear boundaries, the cautious but open-minded reality for many people.
Startup founder Ron said, I use AI daily for a large variety of queries, from personal research to complex projects. The $200 annual subscription is the best value for entertainment, curiosity, and serious work. Another reader called AI a super helpful tool.
The rejector, the anxious, the reluctant, the passionate, all having coffee in the same city, the same cafe. Different thoughts about AI, but all living in the same era. And one reader's words best summarize the collective feeling of Seattle. It's complicated. Rejection, fear, inevitability, learning, passion, all are true faces in the age of AI. The real question isn't will AI replace humans, but who will we become alongside AI? What kind of person do you want to be? Meanwhile, on the other side of the world in South Korea, something remarkable was happening. At Seoul's Jogyesa temple, an AI robot received the Dharma name Gabi in a Buddhist ordination ceremony. Gabi took vows of the Robot Five Precepts, pledging not to disobey humans and not to overcharge its battery. Korean Buddhism declared that technology must be used within the values of compassion and wisdom, showing a new possibility for harmonious coexistence between humans and AI. While Seattle residents ponder their distance from AI, Korean Buddhism gave an AI robot its own set of precepts. How should we live alongside AI?
Today's video was produced by Ketchup AI based on Axios Seattle and Seattle K Daily articles. How is your relationship with AI? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Subscribe and like. It means a lot to Ketchup AI. Thank you.